Hello, my dear viewers. This is Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 23rd of April 2024. The day is Tuesday. I am Dukas Copy Traders community member. My name is Rakesh, and I am your host here. Kindly do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy. I am an independent analyst and trader. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss in this live stream, they are of my own. In this live stream, we will be strictly discussing the price action and ignore all the fundamentals. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced in the chart, so we don't have to worry about other fundamentals. In this program, we will be using the candlestick charts to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we see, and we will see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. At the end of this webinar or live stream, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers so that you can have your doubts cleared before you leave the stream. My humble submission to you is that everything that I am going to say in this live stream is only for education purpose or information or knowledge purpose. Please do not take it as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice. I'm not supposed to give you any trading advice. So please do your research before you put your money on the line, and refrain yourself from putting this in the real markets. Before I begin, let me take you through the disclaimer. Alright, let's go to the charts now. On your screen right now is the daily chart of the US dollar index. As you can see, against it plotted against time, this is a daily chart, and we can clearly see that till today the price was in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. But here something has happened yesterday, actually not yesterday, today something has happened. You see this low that was created on 17th of April 2024. That low is broken, and that was a swing low. This was a swing, this was a swing, and this swing has broken this swing. So that means the price has finally traded below 105.55, which I was not expecting. That means now there is a possibility of a deeper correction in the dollar index in the coming days. Now, if the price closes here below 105.55, then this level will start acting as a good resistance if the price approaches it from below, or otherwise if you have to appreciate it visually. If say price closes here today, the next time whenever the price goes here, it is supposed to act as a good resistance. In other words, we can say that a down move for the dollar index may be assumed to have started already. So for this now, resistance will be 105.55. But where is the support? The next potential support is around 103.62. Okay, what is happening in the GBPSD? Yesterday I was saying that it is extremely bearish. Today I can see a green candle in this one. So anyways guys, this is called a retracement. It can rise up to 1.2484 before heading down. So I think we will have to watch till tomorrow maybe if that level acts as a resistance or not. But anyways, keep that in mind. The resistance is around 1.2484 and the potential support now. The next potential support is 1.2187 in this market. Euro, like I was saying yesterday, that there is a possibility of an up move, and finally the uptrend has started in the euro. The price is trading at 1.0702 right now. The possible resistance is around 1.0885. Now it is like higher highs and higher lows. How it goes about to reach 1.0885 in how much time, that depends on the propulsion from under side or from this side, how much propulsion it gets. But yes, now the next level of resistance, potential resistance, is 1.0885 levels. Now the support is supposed to be given by 1.0610, but you see that after reaching this high, and this was the highest low before the price made another high, so this becomes technically our swing pivot. So I'm keeping my stop loss, or I will say my support level, at 1.0610, which is also now the swing pivot to the upside. So what is happening in the Australian dollar? Australian dollar is even more bullish. It has also crossed the crucial level of resistance, that is 0.6456, and is right now trading at 0.6487, which is, I think, the level of resistance from these previous lows and this previous high on 14th of April. So there is a very high probability that the price will halt here for some time before making a fresh move up. Now in the process, there is a possibility that the price may come back before making a fresh move. This is also possible, okay? But the next level of resistance for this one is 0.6553 in my charts. The support may be seen around now 0.6456. Good job by New Zealand dollar. Although the price has broken the market structure to the upside, but there is a very critical resistance of the weekly chart which the price has broken below, and now that is acting as a resistance. If the price is able to close the day inside this symmetrical triangle, then there is a possibility of the price going higher. Otherwise, after some consolidation, the price may drop again. Okay, now the resistance, I have told you, this is dynamic in nature, but the support is 0.5852 on the downside. USD CHF, pure consolidation, so I will request you not to look for any trade in this right now. Stay away from this one, okay? USD CAD, very clean break to the downside and a continuation. Upside 1.3725 is the resistance now. Potential support may be seen around 1.3620. Very clean chart, nothing else to say about this. USD JPY also, the price went even further higher. 154.87 is what the price has seen today, but this was the higher high. And also you see that the price has seen the lower low, so that means there is an indecision forming, or you can say a lot of manipulation is going on. The downside looks limited because when the price went lower, it was immediately bought back. Upside is possible up to 159.88. But anyways, right now I will say support is around 153.58 in this market, and the resistance can be seen around 154.87. New Zealand CAD, approximately the target is taken. The price is trying to make a swing high here, so there is a possibility of another crash lower tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a possibility of another crash lower. Now if that does not happen, then there is of course a possibility of the price breaking this swing high. So you can say this one. Okay, so if we do not cross 0.8065 tomorrow or day after, then there is a possibility of reaching 2.8169 on the Fridays. Bitcoin, okay, like I said that yesterday, that if we trade above 66,921, then we will become bullish on this one. But see how beautifully the price, yes, it traded above that, but did not close there. That means the price went lower to find support at the previous resistances and now is headed higher. This is 1 day chart, guys. If I take you to 4 hours, then you will be able to realize that okay, you in any case Bitcoin is going higher. How it is so? Look at this. The price went there, could not close higher, then again tried but could not close higher, went lower, tried going lower, could not break the market structure to the downside, went up, could not break the market structure to the upside, even closed lower again, but again it is trying to go higher. Now what it is going higher for? Now if you have been through the market structure and market maker model of ICT or the liquidity type of thing, if you have heard about it, there are three relative equal highs over here. So there is a high probability that the price will go there, sweep this liquidity, maybe even sweep this liquidity, which is relative equal highs here, these three, and then proceed for these two relative equal highs here, these three relative equal highs. There's a very high probability for the price now going towards 72,777 in the Bitcoin. So look for this price action here to the upside in this. The Brent, similarly, like I said, that there is a swing formation on the bottom side, and these are the relative equal highs over here. The possibility of going towards 90.42 is possible in this one. Okay, now also this is a bullish pin bar yesterday, although the volumes were not huge, and if there has to be selling, then it has to come around 88.75. if you do not find any seller around that area and the price is able to convincingly close the day higher than 88.75, then you can also look for the higher targets of 94 or 92.19 and 93.80 in the coming time. On the downside, we have a very critical support around 84.61. Gold, yesterday it gave a hint to us that I'm going down. It went down but was bought back immediately, sending it back about 23.24. Now there is a possibility of the price reaching towards 24.31 once again. So keep that in your charts, and now you can switch the lower support to 2291. Japanese index, that is Nikkei, is looking for another run higher, but I think it will be stopped by 38,278 levels and also 37,858 levels. The next lower levels that we can target on this market is 35,678. I am very much confident that the price is headed here. So let's see how the things unfold in the future and look for this price action next time. And once it trades below that 35,678, then look for 32,166 in this market. And this looks very soon now. It looks like that it can happen before 15th of May or 20th of May. Euro JPY, finally there is a trade above 165.34. if the day closes, then that level 165.64 maybe 165.34 may be seen as a buying opportunity to the long side. GBPAUD, the price met the support target, now is headed higher, maybe to give us another opportunity to go short. Now you remember that the targets are 1.8590 in this one. CHF JPY, we are bearish, but there is a lot of consolidation before that happens, so I'm saying no trade in this one also. Please stay away from this one also. AUD New Zealand, I think it looks like there is a possibility of that day is today. If it convincingly closes above this falling channel's resistance line, also with a higher volume than yesterday. If that doesn't happen, then we will not call it a valid breakout. Now, if the valid breakout happens, that means the price closes above this falling trend line and also with the higher volume than yesterday, then you can expect 1.09719 in this market. Otherwise, the price may fall back again. And also notice that there is a possibility of the market structure break here in this one. The market structure break will occur if the price breaks higher than this high, which is 1.0931. So let's see if the things unfold tomorrow or day after like this or not. But right now we are looking for the breakout to the upside, because on the monthly and on the weekly we have Audi New Zealand as bullish. So Australian dollar is much better performer than the New Zealand dollar in the previous days, and we are expecting that to continue because of the current policies, and expect it to reach 1.01069 and maybe even to the next higher levels of 1.1177 and 1.1493 in the coming days. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me and I will try to answer that. If not, then I would like to wrap up this session, please. All right, as I see, there are no questions popping up in the chat, so I would like to wrap up this session by saying I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care.